Okay folks, let's talk about something a lot of riders secretly dread. Motorways or dual carriageway A roads. The high speeds, the lorries, the crosswinds. It can feel intense if you're not used to it, but motorway riding doesn't have to be stressful. Today I'm breaking down how to ride motorways like a pro, safely, smoothly and confidently. Right, so the first thing you need to think about is preparation is everything. So before you even join the motorway, preparation sets you up for a calm ride. Check your mirrors, your tyre pressure and your fuel levels. There's nothing worse than realising you're low on fuel halfway down a long stretch. Plan your route, know your junction numbers, give yourself time. Rushing is the #1 cause of poor decisions on motorways. Okay, let's move to joining the motorway. Use the slip road to build up speed. Your goal is to match the flow of traffic, not merge at 40 miles per hour into cars doing about 70. It doesn't make any sense, so look well ahead. Mirrors, shoulder check, then a smooth acceleration. Pick a safe gap, signal early and blend in. A confident, predictable merge keeps everyone safer. Now, of course, you start moving then into lane discipline and positioning. Once you're on, remember the left lane is your default. Middle and right lanes are for overtaking, not cruising. Stay clear of HGV blind spots. I mean, I can't begin to say that often enough. If you can't see the driver's mirrors, they cannot see you. I like to ride offset in the lane for maximum vision and space to manoeuvre. Always plan an escape route in case traffic breaks suddenly. Alright, let's talk about speed and spacing. Keep that safe following distance. The 2-second rule minimum doubled in wet weather. It's easy to creep closer because everything feels slow at speed, but you need reaction time. Smooth throttle inputs and gentle braking keep the bike stable. And remember, aerodynamic drag at motorway speeds means even more small throttle changes have big effects. Alright, overtaking safely. When overtaking, do it decisively, not aggressively. Check your mirrors, shoulder check, signal, then move out with purpose. Don't sit long on vehicles longer than needed, especially lorries. Once you're clear, move back in smoothly. Avoid darting between lanes, and of course predictable movement is what actually keeps you safe. Now, let's think about reading traffic and hazards. Always read what's happening far ahead. Brake lights 2 or 3 cars up can tell you more than one in front. Watch for debris. Watch for shredded tyres. Watch for diesel spills, especially near slip roads. Now, if you can see congestion building, move early to the lane that gives you an exit option. Awareness is everything at high speed. Now, lastly, I would say fatigue and focus is also an issue. Motorway riding takes concentration. The monotony can make you zone out, so take regular breaks. Now, if you're tired, pull off for 5 minutes is better than pushing on unfocused. Now, to sum it up, plan ahead, merge confidently, keep your distance, stay visible, and make smooth, deliberate moves. That's how you ride motorways like a pro. Now, if this has helped you, hit that like button and subscribe, and follow for more real-world motorcycle riding along tips. Drop a comment for me below. What is your biggest motorway riding challenge? Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next ride. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it is also about the journey. Take care.